GNM third year. Professional trends or adjustments or nursing administration or ward management. Question 1. Explain the management process. Answer. Management is the process of achieving organizational goals through planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling resources. Steps of management process: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling. Conclusion: effective management improves patient care and hospital efficiency. Question 2. Write the difference between job description and job specification. Answer. Job description describes duties and responsibilities, focuses on the job, explains what work is to be done, prepared after job analysis, used for assigning duties. Job specification describes qualifications and skills required, focuses on the person, explains who can perform the work, based on job description, used for recruitment and selection. Question 3. Define recruitment and write the purpose of recruitment. Answer. Definition: recruitment is the process of searching for and attracting qualified candidates for available jobs. Purpose: to fill vacant posts, to select qualified staff, to improve quality of patient care, to reduce staff shortage, to achieve organizational goals, to provide equal employment opportunities. Question 4. Define MLC and write about MLC. Answer. Definition: MLC, medico-legal case, is a case in which medical examination and legal investigation are required. Examples: road traffic accident, poisoning, burns, assault, suicide attempt, sexual assault. Role of nurse: provide emergency care, inform the doctor immediately, maintain accurate records, preserve evidence, maintain confidentiality. Question 5. What is staffing? Write about staffing. Answer. Definition: staffing is the process of recruiting, selecting, training, and placing employees in an organization. Functions of staffing: manpower planning, recruitment, selection, placement, orientation, training, performance appraisal, promotion. Importance: ensures adequate staff, improves patient care, increases efficiency, reduces workload. Question 6. Write about principles of planning. Answer. Principles of planning: clear objectives, simplicity, flexibility, accuracy, economy, continuity, coordination, participation, feasibility, evaluation. Conclusion: good planning helps achieve organizational goals effectively. Vineet.Kumar 97029. Question 7. Define administration and management and write the principles of administration and management. Answer. Definition of administration: administration is the process of determining the objectives, policies, and overall direction of an organization. It involves planning, organizing, and supervising activities to achieve organizational goals. Definition of management: management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling resources to achieve organizational objectives effectively and efficiently. Principles of administration and management: Henry Fayol. Division of work: authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of personnel, initiative, esprit de corps, team spirit. Importance: improves efficiency, ensures quality, patient care, promotes teamwork, helps achieve hospital objectives. Conclusion: administration and management are essential for effective hospital functioning and quality nursing services. Question 8. Define management and explain the role of nurse in management. Answer. Definition: management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling resources to achieve organizational goals. Role of nurse in management: planning nursing care, organizing nursing activities, staffing and duty allocation, supervising nursing staff, directing and motivating staff, coordinating with doctors and other departments, maintaining records and reports, managing equipment and supplies, ensuring infection control, evaluating nursing care quality. Patient education, maintaining discipline and safety. Importance, improves patient outcomes, enhances teamwork, ensures efficient utilization of resources, maintains quality nursing services. Conclusion, a nurse plays a vital role in hospital management by ensuring safe, effective, and quality patient care. Question 9. Describe nursing as a profession and identify various professional responsibilities of a nurse. Answer. Definition. Nursing is a profession dedicated to promoting health, preventing illness, restoring health, and caring for individuals, families, and communities. Characteristics of nursing profession: specialized knowledge, scientific foundation, skill and competence, code of ethics, professional autonomy, continuous education, service orientation, accountability. Professional responsibilities of a nurse: provide safe and quality patient care, respect patient rights, maintain confidentiality, follow ethical and legal standards, administer medicine safely, maintain accurate records, educate patients and families, prevent infection, participate in research, work as a team member, continue professional development, maintain professional behavior. Conclusion. Professional nursing requires knowledge, skill, ethics, and compassion to provide high-quality health care. Question 10. Define planning and explain planning in detail. Answer. Definition. Planning is the process of deciding in advance what should be done, how it should be done, when it should be done, and by whom. Objectives. Achieve organizational goals, improve efficiency, reduce uncertainty, ensure proper use of resources. Steps of planning: identify objectives, collect information, analyze the situation, develop alternatives, select the best plan, implement the plan, evaluate results. Principles of planning: clear objectives, flexibility, simplicity, coordination, economy, continuity, participation, feasibility. Importance: saves time and money, reduces risks, improves decision making, enhances quality of patient care. Conclusion. Planning is the foundation of successful nursing administration. Question 11. Define recruitment and explain the process of recruitment. Answer. Definition. Recruitment is the process of attracting qualified candidates to apply for available jobs in an organization. Objectives: fill vacant positions, select competent employees, improve organizational performance, maintain adequate staffing. Process of recruitment: identify manpower needs, job analysis, prepare job description, prepare job specification, advertise vacancies, receive applications, screen applications, conduct interviews, select suitable candidates, medical examination, appointment, orientation and induction. Sources of recruitment: promotion, transfer, re-employment, external sources, advertisements, employment, exchangers, campus recruitment, online recruitment, employee referrals. Importance: ensures qualified staff, reduces staff shortage, improves patient care, supports organizational growth. Conclusion. Effective recruitment helps hospitals appoint competent nursing personnel. Question 12. What do you mean by records and reports? Explain in detail. Answer. Definition of records. Records are permanent written documents containing information about patient care and hospital activities. Definition of reports. Reports are oral or written communications used to convey information about patients, staff, or hospital activities. Purposes: ensure continuity of care, legal documentation, communication among healthcare professionals, education and research, quality assurance. Types of records: admission record, nursing record, medication record, operation record, birth and death register, laboratory record, discharge summary. Types of reports: shift report, incident report, ward report, census report, change of shift report, telephone report. Principles of good record keeping: accuracy, completeness, clarity. legibility, timeliness, confidentiality, proper signatures, importance, improves communication. Conclusion: accurate records and reports are essential for safe, legal, and effective nursing practice. Ensures legal protection. Helps in evaluation. Supports research and education. Improves quality of patient care. Vineet.Kumar 97029